Hello, this is Tara with MomCanDoAnything.com, and this is our teen girl bedroom reveal. My daughter and I recently completed a little room refresh for her, and this is what we did. We created this feature wall behind the bed, and we did that with a stencil. And we have a post, or I have a post about that you can see exactly how we stenciled that wall. We also put the canopy up on her bed and added this purple canopy fabric. We added a space for her gymnastics medals, and on the opposite wall, we did this super fun project where we painted these shelves to look like a rainbow. This gave her a spot to display all of her artwork that looks a lot more organized and neat. And on the wall to the left, we collected all of her Harry Potter items, including her books and some Legos and some artwork that she had done. And we created this little display space. And we also added her collection of wands and used some wallpaper to kind of make that space, define that space for the wands. We also, as you can see on the feature wall, we added these sconces on either side of the bed, created a lot more space on her nightstands. We also painted one of those nightstands so that they would match, and we added a bulletin board on the right side of the bed to give her a spot to display her calendar and her other memorabilia. We just really cleaned this room up, and the last thing I'd say we did was add this pom-pom wreath, and that was in the colors of the rainbow, and that's on the opposite wall from the shelves, so that sort of complemented each other, the shelves and the pom-pom wreath. And the sconces, she's able to swing those over to closer to the inside the canopy at night when she wants to use those for reading. We kept the curtains that we already had, and those went with the blue paint color that was already in the room. And it's just been great to have this all cleaned up, and right before she becomes a teen, now she has a official teen bedroom. So she's loving it. Check out all these projects on the blog, and thanks for watching.